In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your NerdWallet account. This comprehensive guide will take you through each step, ensuring you can easily access your account in no time. Let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. You'll want to navigate to a search engine like Google. Once there, type NerdWallet into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Look for the official NerdWallet website link, typically titled NerdWallet Finance Smarter. It should be near the top of the listings. Click on that link to proceed. Now that you've reached the NerdWallet homepage, take a moment to locate the Login button. This is usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the web page. Clicking this button will redirect you to the login page where you'll access your account. At this point, you'll see the login interface pop up on your screen. Here, you'll need to enter your registered email address or username in the first field. Ensure that you type your credentials carefully to avoid any mistakes that might prevent you from logging in. If you've forgotten your email or username, NerdWallet typically offers a forgot email link that you can click to retrieve your information. Next, move to the second field to input your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check for any mistakes or misplaced capitalization. If by any chance you've forgotten your password, no worries, there's usually a forgot password option available. Clicking on this will guide you through the steps to reset your password. It typically involves verifying your identity and selecting a new password. Once both your email or username and password are entered, it's time to click the Login button. If everything is correctly entered, you'll be granted access to your account dashboard, where you can manage your financial insights, track your spending, and much more. Sometimes NerdWallet may require additional steps like two-factor authentication. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions carefully, which might include entering a code sent to your email or mobile device. This security measure ensures that your account remains protected. And there you have it. You have successfully logged into your NerdWallet account. Remember these steps for future reference and enjoy exploring all the features and resources at your disposal. If you encounter any issues logging in, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies or trying a different browser. Thank you for watching and happy managing!